Hello students, good morning to all. So students, today now all of you know that this is your science class and today we are going to learn the same chapter. Again the same chapter, that is your standard 8 science chapter number 1. Let me first write down the chapter name. Okay. Crop production and food from animals. Okay. Chapter 1. Okay. So again today all of you just discussed the same chapter, that is your crop production and management, and all of you know that in my first video I have already discussed about your what are the best ways to produce the crops, or if a farmer follows the following ways they can get a huge amounts of the crops, and also we know that how the animals gives us a huge amounts of the foods for us. Yes or no? So in this way, up to all of you know that what are the best ways for producing huge amounts of the crops or also the foods from animals and also from the plants. Then today we are going to discuss about the two things. One is your what? One is your types of crops and the next one is your nitrogen cycle. Okay. So these two things our today topic. Okay. So first of all I will discuss about your types of crops, then your nitrogen cycle. So students, all of you think just a small thing. All of you feel entire years the several seasons, yes or no? So then again all of you think a small things, can all of you eat the entire season same kinds of the crops? Obviously no. We all eat different types of foods in different seasons. So depending upon, basing upon the season, the crops are divided into three parts, or all of you say that depending upon the season the crops are divided into three groups. Types of crops are divided into three groups. One is your what? Kharif crop, then Rabi crop, then Zaid crop. Okay, then first comes to our first things, that is your what? First type of crop, that is your Kharif crop. So what do you mean by your Kharif crop? So the particular crop which are cultivated in the mainly the month of your what? June, July to your month of September, October. That type of crop is known as your what? Kharif crop. That means in your single sentence all of you can understand that Kharif crop is a type of crop which is cultivated. The type of crop which is these types of crop cultivated, or you can write down here sown in June, July and harvested in month of September, October. Okay, this type of crop is known as your what? This type of crop is known as your Kharif crop. Again all of you also another sentence or another definition formed here. All of you just think another word, that is your what? In the month of June and July all of you feel which seasons? That is obviously your rainy season, yes or no? So in the another way all of you can say that the particular crop which are sown in rainy seasons, or all of you also can say that the crop which are sown in which season? That is your rainy season. That type of crop is known as rainy season. That type of crop is also known as your which type of crop? That is your Kharif crop. Okay, then you can take the examples like your paddy, like your sugar canes, and the other types of vegetables or other types of crops are also present in case of a Kharif crop. Okay, then comes to our next type, our second type, that is your what? Rabi crop. Okay, those crops sown in the month of September or October and harvested in, and all of you very well know that what is the meaning of the sown and what is the meaning of the harvested, because all these things I have already discussed in your first video. Okay, harvested in month of your March, April, in between your March, April. Okay, that type of crop is known as your what? This is known as your Rabi crop. Okay, then comes to our next things. Again all of you also can say that this type of a crop depending upon your season in the month of your March and April, all of you feel which type of seasons? All of you obviously feel September to March, April, that is your winter season, yes or no? So also all of you say that in the another way, the particular crop which is sown in the month of your or in the season of your winter season, that type of crop is also known as your what? That is known as your Rabi crop, winter season. Okay. All of you only remember here the two things. First of all, what do you mean by the kharif crop? The particular crop which is cultivated in case of a what? In case of a rainy season, in between the month of sown in the June, July and harvested in October to November, September, October, and again in case of a what? In case of a your Rabi crop, all of you also show that the particular crop which is sown in the month in your winter season, that is known as the Rabi crop. Then comes to your next things, that is your what? Jayat crop, or also all of you say that this is your summer crops. Okay, so the particular crop which is sown in the month of March, April and harvested means cutting down the matured crops from the crop field, harvested before rainy season. Okay, here you can take the example like your millions और जो योर केरला कलेरा जिसको बोलते हो और जिसको क्या बोलेंगे इन इंग्लिश द बेटर ग्राउंड्स, ये सुनो दीज आर कम्स अंडर योर समर क्रॉप्स. ओके, so I think now all of you can understand what do you mean by your kharif crop, rabi crop and your what? Jayat crop. Okay, let me first erase the board. Then I discussed the another two terms which are also related to the same things. Okay, the two terms is your okay, one is your intercropping and nextly your write down here. Okay, mixed crop or multiple cropping, not your mixed crop, mixed cropping. Okay, so first of all of you comes to the first term, what do you mean by your intercropping? So the meaning of the intercropping, all the another types of vegetables, another types of foods are also cultivated in between your two seasons, that is in between your two type of crop, that is your kharif crop and rabi crop. That type of crop is known as your intercropping. Okay, that means in the single sentence there is a types of crop which are cultivated in between your rabi crop and kharif crop. That type of crop is known as your intercropping. Then comes to our next things, that is your what? That is your mixed cropping or multiple cropping. So what do you mean by mixed? Mixed means the mixture of some things, yes or no? So whenever a farmer cultivated in one agricultural field different types of crop, that type of cropping is known as your what? That type of cropping is known as your mixed crop or the multiple crop or the multiple cropping. Okay, now all doubt is clear. That means first of all intercropping means the particular crop which is cultivated in between the kharif crop and the rabi crop, and next one is your what do you mean by your mixed cropping or multiple cropping. In the same agricultural field, whenever a farmer cultivated different types of crops in the simultaneously, that type simultaneously means the same times, that is known as your mixed cropping or the multiple cropping. Okay, so this is the all things about your crop productions. Okay, in my previous class I have already discussed about the several processes through which all of you get huge, our farmer basically gets a huge amounts of the crop, and the today video I have discussed the type of crops depending upon the seasons. The crops are the three types, one is the kharif crop, rabi crop and the jayat crop. The kharif crop is a type of crop which is cultivated in your rainy seasons, and the rabi crop is a types of crop which is cultivated in case of a winter season, and in the another types of crop, that is your jayat crop, which is cultivated in your summer season. After that the two things, that is your intercropping and the mixed cropping or the multiple cropping. Then comes to our the next topic, that is your nitrogen cycle, and these things is a very important for all of you, and also all of you face these things in your higher classes also. Then comes to the next things, that is your what? That is your nitrogen cycles. Okay, so students, nitrogen cycle is a cycle. Whenever all of you just look at the figure in your books, so a little bit all of you get confused. So first of all, here all of you listen carefully the figure. After that you can draw the cycle, then easily you can understand all these things in case of a nitrogen cycle. Okay, so our next thing is your nitrogen cycle. So students, all of you know about your, what do you mean by your nitrogen? What is the meaning of the nitrogen? So obviously all of you know that nitrogen is a type of gas or types of elements which is present in our atmosphere 78%. Yes or no? So the next thing is your what? What do you mean by the cycle? Cycle means a endless process. Yes or no? A continuous process, that is known as your cycle. Okay. So particularly whenever all of you just listen the two words or see the two words in your board, nitrogen cycle, now all of you fast clear one thing, this is a cyclic process about your nitrogen gas. And also all of you remember another thing, that is your what? Nitrogen cycle is a types of cycle which is completed through by the help of nature. This is not a artificial process, this is a natural process. Okay, and all of you very well know that the amounts of the nitrogen gas in our atmosphere is fixed or remains same 78%. Yes or no? But all of you think another things, all of you continuously use in your day to day life nitrogen gas. So how these things is remain same in your atmosphere? All these things are comes under your nitrogen cycle. All of you use the nitrogen, again all of you give the nitrogen to our atmosphere. So that's why nitrogen cycle, so that's why the amounts of the nitrogen in our atmosphere is remain same. Okay, so particularly basically in this cycle we read about what things happen. First of all, we see that the nitrogen gas first converted into nitrogen compound, Now I am just drawing a raw diagram. Okay, nitrogen compound, again the nitrogen compound comes to form nitrogen gas and mixed in our atmosphere. In this way nitrogen in a balancing condition remains same in our atmosphere. Okay, first of all of you understand about what do you mean by your nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle is a types of cycle which is endless process or which is conduct, or also all of you can say that this phenomena is complete through the by the help of the natures. And also all of you know that in this process first of all nitrogen gas converted into nitrogen compound, and again the nitrogen compound converted into nitrogen gas and mixed in our atmosphere. In this way nitrogen cycle is balanced and nitrogen gas is constant in our surrounding. Now all of you let's go to learn deeply the nitrogen cycles. Okay, which diagrams are present in your books. Okay, so students, as all of you know that our body is made up of some of the proteins. Yes or no? In your body proteins are present, and again all of you remember another things, the proteins are the compounds of the nitrogens. So that's why nitrogen is essential for us. As food is essential for us, in the foods nitrogen are also present. Nitrogen not only essential for the animals, these things are also essential for your what? For your plants. So in this cycle particularly we read about all these things. Okay, so students, first of all consider the atmosphere nitrogen gas. Suppose this is your atmospheric nitrogen gas. Now all of you draw the diagram with me in your copy. After that I will discuss all the terms used in the cycle in a simple way. Okay, and you can understand it easily. So suppose this is your atmospheric nitrogen gas. Okay, so students, another thing, before going to the topic, here I use two words. One is your nitrogen gas, another one is your nitrogen compound. Yes or no? So what is the basic difference in between your nitrogen gas and nitrogen compound? Always all of you remember that nitrogen gas is single elements. Okay, so whenever the nitrogen gas combines with itself and combines with different types of other elements in a fixed ratio, that things is known as your what? Nitrogen compound. Clear? Now comes to our nitrogen cycles. Okay, so atmospheric nitrogen gas converted into nitrogen compound first, yes or no? Through the help of lightning, nitrogen fixing bacteria or blue green algae also fix the air or atmosphere. Okay, fix the air nitrogen into nitrogen compound, okay, and which go into the soil. So now the plants absorb or take the nitrogen compounds from the soil through the help of your plant's roots. Okay, then your next things, that is your what? The plants, all of you very well know that we all eat the plants products. Then the plant's body is eaten by animals. Animals means we also human being and other animals also, by your animals, and gets nitrogen gets into the animal's body. So students, what will happen here? Okay, so now the nitrogen gas converted into nitrogen compound and go to the soil. Now the plant absorb the nitrogen compound from the soils, and again the plant's product or plant's body means the plant's product we all eat, yes or no? Like the human being also and the other animals eat the particular plants and plants products. So that means in the another way also your nitrogen compounds enter into the human body, means the also the animal's body. Okay, then comes to our next things or the next steps. Now decay and decomposition of dead plants, nitrifications. I hope now all of you can understand the nitrogen cycles, yes or no? And also the three terms, that is your nitrogen fixation, that is your nitrification, and again the denitrification. In this way, whenever all of you use the atmospheric nitrogen gas, again through the help of the entire nitrogen cycle, now the nitrogen added into our atmosphere, and that's why our percentage, as all of you know that from your childhood, that is your the percentage of nitrogen in our atmosphere remains same amount, that is your 78%. Yes or no? So whenever these things are lost by the or the taken by the human body, again converted into nitrogen gas. So the entire process is a endless process. Yes or no? Now just look at the board. All of you find out that the entire diagram is a endless process. So that's why these things is known as your nitrogen cycle. And why all of you read about the nitrogen cycle, not your oxygen cycle? There is no oxygen cycle, no word in your science oxygen cycle, only nitrogen cycle, because a huge amounts of the nitrogen present in our atmosphere, and also these things are essential for us because our body contain the proteins, and proteins are the main compounds of the nitrogen, and nitrogen compounds means whenever nitrogen combines with another different elements or also itself by the any process in a fixed ratio, that is known as your what? That is known as your nitrogen compounds. Okay, so all the things about your chapter 1, that is your what? Crop production management and food from your animals. Okay, so this is overall your chapter. Again I revise from the chapter from the starting. So first of all, in my first video or the part 1 video, I have already discussed first of all about your what do you mean by the crops. Crops are the same kinds of the foods which is cultivated in case of a what? In a agricultural field. And again all of you read that the agricultural practices is performed by the several different stages or different methods also. And what are they? They are the preparation of the soils, then sowings, adding manure and the fertilizer, after that irrigation, then after that what? Harvesting, and then your next one is your what? The next one is your just storage the food grains. After that all of you just remember another things. In this way all of you also read about the animal husbandry. Animal husbandry also is a branch of agriculture, and in this branch all of you deals with how all of you take care of the animals to get a huge amount of the foods from the animals. In our today topics or the today video I will describe about your what? About your types of the crops depending upon the basing upon the seasons. The crops are the three types: Kharif, Rabi and your what? The Zaid crop. And Kharif crop is a type of crop which is cultivated in the month of that is your what, in the month of June, July to and harvested in September, October, then that is known as your kharif crop. You can take an example, sugarcane, paddy also. And the next thing is your what? The next thing is your what? The next thing is your rabi crop. Rabi crop was cultivated in your which seasons, that is your winter season. And then the next thing is your what? The jayat crop or the summer crops. Then entire the crop production. After that, all of you read about your another concept, that is your nitrogen cycle. And nitrogen cycle, what happen in the nitrogen cycle? In the nitrogen cycle, all of you just in a simple sentence say that in the nitrogen cycle, nitrogen gas converted into fast nitrogen compound, again through the help of the different activities of natures and the microorganism, converted into what? Converted into nitrogen gas. As it is a endless process, that's why the cycle's name is known as your what? Nitrogen cycles. Okay, so thank you to all, and I hopefully this section help you to a lot. And at the critical period, I advise to all of you, don't waste your time. Try to spend your most of the times in your study. And if you have any doubts after watching this video, then you can contact me at any moment. Thank you. Have a nice day.